In the previous video, we have seen about the string data type. So in this video, we will see about the example. We will see a example of the string data type. So for that, we took one module with the name of string methods. Okay. And in the last video, you have already seen so many methods we have, right? Putc, getc, length, then we have compare, I compare, all these methods we will see here. Okay, with the code. So here we declare a string variable. We declare three string variable: str1, str2, str3. Then another we have variable used for the convention. So length will return you the integer value, right? So to store that integer value, we declare one variable as int num. Okay, another we have real r num. We will see what is the use of this. Okay, so let's go and see one by one. Now see here, inside the initial begin, we initialize the string variable with a value. So this value VLSI row I am storing, I am assigning into the string variable 1. Then VLSI this see here, you see here only difference is here capital start with a capital letter and start with a capital letter, and here start with a small letter, and then string, inside the string we kept a, see, tell me, this is a string or what? This is a string or this is a real number? What is this? Tell me. So this is a string. Why? Because everything which is present inside the double quote, that is string only. Okay. Whether it is number or a special character or any character, English character or anything. If you put into the double quotation, double quote, then it will become string. Okay. So here we are just seeing dollar display. This is for just for the formatting purpose, means result will come in a good manner, like it will be very good to see. I will show you how it is. And then here I am printing original string and original string 1 and original string 2. So original string 1 means this will print, original string 2 means this will print. So this will print as original string 2 and this will print as original string 1. Okay, you see here what I am doing first. I am printing the length. Okay, so don't consider like don't see this line just to print, so it will show you like length. So here we are printing the length. So for the string we have a format specifier as percentage %s, and we are going to print in a decimal format, so we have %0d. So this string will come here and it will sit here, and then this str length will come here and it will sit here. Okay, sit means it will come here. Okay, I will show you. Apart from that, we are using different method. We are doing put. So you see here what we are doing. We are putting the string in the string 1. You are using put c, and this is the index. At this index I want to keep capital V. I want to put a capital V. Okay, in the result you will see. So this is the index which you need to mention where you want to put the character. And in this case, in the whole code, what we are doing, we are getting the character. We are getting the character at index 1 and we are printing, and then again index 6 we are printing. Okay, and then this 42 length, we are doing, we are converting into the uppercase. So you see a string to have character in lower case. Okay, that we are converting into the uppercase. And then in the fifth method, what we are doing, we are converting into the lower case. Again, in the first string, first character was uppercase. Okay, in VLSI and in Pro also first character was, in both two word, first character was uppercase. So that we are like everything will be converted into the lowercase now. Then we are comparing both. Okay, comparing both are equal or not. Zero string equal, first string is greater, whatever it is, I will show you in the result, you will get to know. Okay, then again we are doing I compare. So in I compare, that string 1 and string 2 have a different like capital letter and a small letter, right? That will not be considered, it will compare both as equal. So we will see the result. And the most thing is the main thing is substring. So substring means what? Extract the character between two indices. So we are extracting the character. We are like, suppose we have a VLSI Pro. Inside that I need Pro only. So I will extract that Pro part. So how you will do the extraction? So this is how you have to do. So in the first str string 1 sub str, this is the method name, and every time whenever you are using any method now, you will see variable and then dot, we are using that method name. Okay, so this is how you have to call that method. You have to use the dot. Okay, so substring index 0, start from index 0 to till 4 I need. From the string 1 part, this index part I need. Okay, so I will display that. Then I am converting, okay, I to real, and then real to I. Real to I means sky value into the real number, and then we are storing into this real data type. See here what we are doing here, str3. So whatever the things is present inside the str3 dot a means sky character to real, we are converting and storing into that number, we are storing into this rnum. Okay, I hope you got this right. Then what we are doing in the next line, we are printing the string 3, and then what we are doing here, we are printing the number, whatever the real number that we are printing. So to print that real number, you have to use the format specifier as percentage %f. So till now we have seen how many format specifier, so many, right? So first was percentage %d, percentage %b, percentage %h, also you have percentage %o, you have percentage %s, you have percentage %f, you have all this we have. Okay, then in 10th you have I to real, I to sky actually. So here this is the, what is this? This is an integer value that you need to convert into the sky. So you are converting here, this is the line 88 line, we are converting I to a method we are using to convert. Okay, then we are printing. So you see the output now. Original string is what? String 1 and string 2 have this VLSI Pro, VLSI Pro. Okay, the length, what is the length? Tell me. This is 8, right? Length is 8. Okay, you see how. So 0, I mean, this is a start from 0 index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 means it's a 8 because it start from 0. Okay, now put C. We are putting, instead of like you have seen right here, where we are putting, tell me. We are putting the character at the index 6. So see here, we are 6 index, we are putting the V. So you see in the result, you will see. In the result, you see here what we are doing. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So at 6 index, what we are doing? At 6 index, we are putting the character V. Then we are getting the character at the first index, that is 0 and 1. So this is a 0 index V, and 1 index, what it contain? I. So this I is coming, and then you have V. Okay, so this V is coming. I hope you understand this thing. V is coming from 6 index. So in this you see 6 index, what V is there. Now we are converting into the uppercase. So here you see everything is converted into uppercase. Converting to the lowercase. So here everything is converted into lowercase. Now in a compare, you see it's not equal, and string are not equal. In I compare also it is not equal because we changed, right? What we changed here is, see, VLSI Pro, and here R is replaced with a V. So that is why both are not equal. Now substring, I told you like 0 to 4 you are taking. So 0 to 4 if you are taking means this is what you will get, right? So this is a 0th index, first, second, third. So total 0 to 4th. Okay, so total 4 character you are getting, 0 to 4. Now you are converting. So this is the string value, you remember, right? Earlier in a string 3 we assigned this value, and then this is the converted real value. So this is the real value, this is a string value. Okay, then this is the integer value. You converted this integer into the string, sky character string. Okay, so this is the this is it for this is for this video. We will see in the next video. If you if you understood something, then please like the video and subscribe this channel for the further update. Okay, bye guys.